Mike Hughes here. I'm at Paralenz Dive Camera, and I'm here with Jacob. And Jacob, you want to tell us a little bit about your product here?
Yeah, of course. So this is actually quite a little innovative product. It's the first camera that's built by divers for divers. And what we basically aimed for was to make ease of use. So we've eliminated the use for a housing. It goes to 800 feet, more than 800 feet, just like this, straight out of the box. You also don't need color filters because it has a pressure sensor inside. Of course, it's a dive camera. So it has a pressure sensor inside, and it will measure the depth. And then we taught it what colors to add to every single centimeter.
Yeah. Wow.
So
cool.
it auto color corrects the footage based on depth.
Okay.
So it's basically the equivalent of bringing a color filter per centimeter and changing it every second.
Good. And you don't have to change it every second.
You don't have to do anything, man. It does it for you.
Okay. Yeah. Cool.
And then it's got with the pressure sensor, it also measures depth and temperature. And it will. The battery life is about 3.5 hours in full HD.
Okay.
So that's also super nice. It's very, very robust. It's full aluminum housing, and it's very easy to maintain. That's very important.
It almost looks like a dive flashlight.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's one of our biggest hurdles. It's not a torch.
Yes.
So one other thing that's very important is that you can change the glass if you scratch it. So it's very easy to maintain. The mounting options are very unique.
Oh, so I see a side mounting on this mask here.
Yes.
And I see 4 on a tube.
Exactly. Yeah. So
that wants every angle.
We are very dedicated to the dive community. That's all we care. That's all we care about. So we want to make the mounts that divers need, right?
Okay.
So there's one here for the OTS mask.
And what's this one for? In case you want torpedoes on the side.
So this is. I mean, actually, you can use this for different things.
Right.
These go great in combination with mounted on a scooter because it makes the camera neutral.
Right.
What this can be used for is handle like this. Yeah, you can get closer to stuff. It stabilizes the camera a little bit.
Looks like Star Trek.
You can turn it around like that and extend it.
Okay, for your selfie.
So you can use it as a selfie stick.
Wow, that's long.
You can extend it even further.
Oh. Okay, for Barracuda and whatnot.
So you extend it like this.
Yeah.
And this is actually the intended purpose, that you then connect this to the back of your BCD, and it will float behind you and film you from the back. So that's hands-free footage, including yourself in the footage.
Wow. Oh, so you get a real good, clear picture of your behind.
Yeah, exactly. You can put it at an upwards angle.
And then the ring around it, how does that affect it?
So we decided to do magnetic switches, no push buttons, because they are highly affected by pressure.
Right.
So it's all magnetic switches, and it works in a way that you use the mode selector ring here and the activation switch. So whatever the logo, the icon is by the logo plate, that's the function of the button. Okay. So now it's on the on-off. I hold it down for a few seconds. I'll feel a vibration. The camera vibrates to tell me what it's doing. You'll see the logo come on here in the back. Yes. And what you then basically do is just turn it to video, hold down the activation switch for a few seconds, and it starts recording.
Okay.
Another very, very cool feature. We made an application for it. If you just hold on for a minute.
What's really neat is while he's doing that, I'll just show you. About the size of your hand is the whole camera video kit. Yeah, so that's really nice.
It comes in a box like this, and it comes with we call it a universal mount. Right. Let's call it what it is. It's a GoPro adapter, and you basically click it on the camera, and you can mount it on any of your
GoPro or whatever mounts you have there.
It also comes with a mask mount.
Okay.
This one, this will fit any mask on the strap, side of your head. And as well, it clicks on as well like this.
Cool.
Yeah.
That is very convenient.
We've made some small click adapters for tripod screws and stuff like this. So there's basically endless possibilities of mounting this.
Cool. And if they want more information about this product, they're going to go to?
That'll be on our website. That's paralenz.com. That'll be Paralenz.
And Z. For Americans.
Yeah, exactly. Sorry.
And then .com.
One last thing I want to show you.
Yes.
We made an application for it. Okay. So you can connect the camera to the phone via Wi-Fi.
Right.
And you can do all the settings in the app. You can also do that in camera. But then the cool thing, when you come back from the dive, you can lock
you got
the
your
dive.
profile.
It makes a list of your dives,
and
when you go into the individual dive, it will show you where on the dive you took
what
each,
I saw where.
each bit of footage.
Oh, that's cool.
It's very easy to share. So again, this is no color correction, no filters used.
Wow, that's pretty.
No lights used. It's just straight out of the camera.
That's it. Either holding or on your helmet or whatever.
It does not get easier than that.
It doesn't. Well, thank you very much.
No, thank you.